What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you a few different audio packages for your road glide or street glide. The Harley Davidson Audio, powered by Rockford Fosgate products, have an element-ready design and are purpose-built for the harsh motorcycle environments. Constructed to stand up to water, dirt, UV and motorcycle vibration, these products will stand the test of time. First up, I have the Stage II audio package for the street glide. Featuring Harley Davidson Audio, powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage II batwing fairing speakers, 5x7 Stage II Saddlebag speakers, a primary amp and a saddlebag speaker installation kit. These are the 3-way amplified, vibration-tested, 6.5-inch waterproof 2-ohm speakers for your batwing fairing, and these are the 5x7 waterproof 2-ohm saddlebag speakers. Both feature a durable injection-molded woofer and separate bridge-mounted mid-range and tweeter speakers. Each fairing and saddlebag speaking unit is rated to handle up to 150 watts of power and designed to deliver outrageous volume with less distortion for amazing sound even at highway speeds. Add in the 500-watt 4-channel primary amplifier and you'll have all the audio amplification you're looking for. The Stage II audio package for the street glide is finished off with the saddlebag speaker installation kit. If you're looking for a little more pop in your audio system on your street glide, this next package has all the same Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate products as the last one, with one major variation. We've switched out the Stage II saddlebag speakers with the Stage III version. These 6x9 speakers have been designed specifically to fit the saddlebag speaker lids of 2023 and later street glide and road glide models, with no need for additional modifications to fit the larger speaker. They deliver ultra clear highs, super clean mids and ground thumping bass, and are rated to handle a whopping 250 watts of power. They've been designed with speaker elements angled towards a rider's head to create an even better audio experience. Next, I have the Stage II audio package for the road glide. With all the same Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate products as the street glide package, with one variation. The Stage II fairing speakers are designed to be installed on the road glide fairing, so no matter which motorcycle model you prefer, you can enjoy the same powerful performance that these audio packages provide. This last kit is similar to the Stage II package for the road glide, however we have replaced the Stage II saddlebag speakers with Stage III saddlebag speakers. These upgraded 6x9 speakers are the largest and most powerful saddlebag speakers ever offered by Harley Davidson and allow you to increase the bass and volume with a simple speaker swap. For these and any other genuine Harley Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.